Welcome back to the She Speaks AI channel. Today, we are diving into a crucial aspect of self-publishing, creating the perfect cover size for your book to upload on Amazon's KDP book publishing portal. Whether you're a seasoned author or just starting out, getting the dimensions right is key to making your book stand out. So, let's jump in and make sure your cover looks as professional as your writing. Don't miss out on more incredible insights and techniques from the She Speaks AI channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the newest AI tools, passive income strategies, and products. Let's thrive together.
All right, guys, so I wanted to show you how to create your cover in Canva using and get the correct sizing for whatever size book you're doing. So the first thing you want to do is come over to kdp.amazon.com, kdp.amazon.com/cover-calculator. You'll see this address here. That's what you want to type in. It's going to bring you to this page here, and we'll just walk through these sections. So the binding type, if you want hardcover, you'll do that, or a paperback. Generally, it's paperback. Interior type, I, of course, like to do black and white, but there are others that you can do. And then just keep in mind that the more you choose of these extras, the higher your book will cost. Your paper type, I never choose cream. I've seen books with cream and they work well, but I used white paper. And then reading direction, of course, is going to be left to right. Measurements for units, so that's inches. And then interior trim size. So now this is what is your book size page. So if you're doing an 8.5 by 11 book, it's going to be 8.5 by 11. Let's say you're doing 6 by 9, then you want to choose the 6 by 9. Another common size is like 5.5 by 8.5, those kinds of things. So let's just choose 8.5 by 11. Okay. So now I have to know what page size. Now keep in mind that each time you change up, so let's say you're doing 100 pages and then now you want to do 150 pages, you're going to have to come back here and create a new template. Okay. New template. So I'm just going to put 100 pages here. And then I can calculate dimensions, download template, or reset. So let's do calculate dimensions. Now, this is what it's going to look like. And so here it's showing you, the outline of your template. And it's also telling you here the measurements. So if you're doing the full cover, your measurements are going to be 17.475 by 11 1/4. We used to have to do this by hand, but now it does it for you. So that's pretty much what you need to know there. There is a bleed section here. Won't get into that, but that's pretty much what you'll need to know. We'll take a look and see what this all means when we transfer it over to Canva. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and download this template. So now that my template is downloaded, it's in an extra zip folder. So I'm going to unzip my folder, which you can't see, but let me unzip the folder. All right, and so now I'm going to go ahead and take my template and come on over to Canva. Now, remember, it was important for us to know those dimensions because we want to create a design that is 17.475 by 11.25. So I'm going to copy that one, come over to Canva, and I'm going to create a custom size. And that width is, didn't I copy it? Okay. By, oh, what was it? I forgot already. 11.25 is the height. Oh, inches. Don't forget to change it to inches. And then 11.25. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and create the design. So this is the full page. This is what it's going to look like. And this is what you'll upload into Amazon. Now I need to upload that template. So I'm going to go and upload my template. And I'm going to choose the PNG file. So it downloads a PDF file and a PNG file. So I'm going to do that. So once it's finished loading, I am going to go ahead and put it in here. And all I'm going to do is just drag it over. It kind of snaps into place. And then I'm going to highlight it and then pull it to the end and it kind of snaps into place. So this is what the cover is going to, this is your guide for your cover. And this is your spine. And then you don't want to really get anything that needs to print in these red edges. Okay, so if it needs to print, you don't want it in the red edges. And then also this is the spine area. Now, depending on the type of book you're doing, I don't necessarily do the spine. Sometimes I do, but it just depends. If it's a book, then I'm doing the spine. But if it's something like a low, no content book, I don't generally do a spine. Okay. So how I would do this is your front cover on the right, and this is your back cover on the left. Keep in mind that there is a barcode. So if you put any words or something there, it's going to be covered up by the barcode. This is just giving you directions and telling you what these lines mean. And then this is telling you the size of your book. And yeah, so you'll always know because you can keep it here in Canva in there. One of the things that I do, a little trick that I do, is I will come over here to Elements and I will just create one of these. And then I will size it. Pull that up a little bit. I will size it to these dashes because there I know where my middle is. Okay. Because I tend to create my cover from the template, from this format, right? So I will duplicate this page just so I can have that there, and then I will delete the template. Okay. Now I have my center. I know this is my front. I know this is my back. And now I can begin to customize my page. So let's say that I want this image on my page, on my front page, you know. I can do that there. So this is not what I would do, but this is just trying to give you an example there. And then I would put maybe some text on the back here. And now I can see where the center of it is. Okay. So that is how you can create your cover for KDP and have it upload the template. And yeah, let me know what questions you have.